welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my review of the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ta-da! So this is the oil primer. Okay, looks like this. Twist this open and this comes out. This is the dispenser. And that's the oil. So I gently drop this on my face. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, we better make quick on this one. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for a few minutes and I'll be back. Usually when I use this oil, I just let my skin absorb the oil before I go on with my makeup, which is what I'm trying to do. My skin really feels soft after using this. I love the scent. It's not an overpowering scent. It's a very mild scent. Now that I'm back, I'm gonna start by using my foundation. The one that I'm using is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. That's what I'll be using. I'm gonna color correct my face. As you can see, I have this huge hyperpigmentation on my face. So I'm gonna do this. I'm done with my makeup and I'm back with my review on the NYX Hydra Touch Oil Primer, which looks like this. It does come in this packaging here, and you get a 20 ml watt product. So I'm gonna start off with what I really love about the primer. I love the packaging, I love the scent, I love the way it smells. It doesn't have any hard or overpowering scent. It does make my skin feel really smooth after applying the primer. It did make my foundation apply flawlessly. I had no problems with this primer. However, I don't like the fact that it doesn't make my makeup last longer. But I do have oily skin. I would not use this primer if I'm going for an event. For instance, if I'm going for a wedding or a graduation party or something that would make me stay out for like 8 hours. This is not the primer that I would use. If I'm going for a casual meeting or meet with friends for 5 hours, or I'm going grocery shopping, or I'm going to the daycare for my kids, short errands like that, I would use this primer. Will I buy this again? Sure, I'll buy this again because this will help make my other primers last longer, and I will know that if I'm to go somewhere and I know that it's a casual date or casual outing, I would use this primer because I know I'll be staying 5 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you have used this primer or you like it. Just share your thoughts about this primer down in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!